Where the heck is my remote? Oh, I'm blind. Oh, shoot. Why do I always forget that I'm recording? That's just my biggest issue over here. Is forgetting that I'm recording. Yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way to Morelands and come right back and just get fire mist just for the sake of this freaking intro. Like, that's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. Just even though everybody hates my intro because I literally use music from my computer, and the only way for it to work is I have to turn it as loud as possible, and I get complaints from my family like, "It's too loud, turn it freaking down." I'm like, doing a freaking intro over here, and yeah, I was gonna do a training video, but I was just like, no. Sorry. I was like, no, I'm not doing a training video. So, because first of all, I'm too lazy for training on camera. Second of all, yeah. Also, there's absolute no excuse why I didn't post yesterday. It's because I've just been lazy, and Comment or Brooke or whatever you want to call her name. We're just gonna say Brooke. Brooke came over, so that's always great. Am I right? Am I right? I don't freaking care. So, like, yeah. Yeah. So, today we are gonna be doing the IDK what I'm doing. Oh crap! IDK what I'm doing at all time. Yeah. I can't talk real fast. I mean, like, I can talk real fast, but I don't really want to talk real fast. This is the best I can talk. This is the best I can talk fast, which I don't even think I can talk fast. I mean, like, it's kind of hard to talk fast because, I mean, like, you have to, like, do tongue twists and stuff. Trying to say, like, big words like tongue twist or stuff that I can't pronounce really good, like yeller or however the heck you say it. I get made fun of at school for doing that. Also, I'm not going to school tomorrow not because I'm like, oh, I have decided I'm not going to school. I have to go to a funeral tomorrow. Yeah, my, Big Pops, he passed out and died. I really feel like I should get this Mustang, but I want to get the Halflanger. Yeah, I don't know, that's just out of the blue randomness right there. I'm like just talking about, going to a funeral, and then I come up to this Mustang, and I'm like, oh, should get you, and then it's, randomness again. There we go. I'm just rocking it with the randomness over here. So, yeah, this is just randomness. I have no idea what the sake of this video is, and girl, you not cheap. She's like, oh, hi, for a free I can teach you how to lead your horse. Free. That's totally free. I mean, I want to lead my horse, but I mean, girl, you gonna make me spend too much money. And how much will I have anyways? Hold on, and I need to totally not doing this on my iPad. I don't know what all of y'all are. Crap! I keep on recording and not even knowing. Okay, so how much does she do it for the cleaning again? I don't know. I don't play. I don't lose the game. So you say. Okay. 386 minus 135. Girl, I will have 251. I mean, I can deal with that, but I want to leave my horse, but I don't want to spend money. You know what? I don't know, I'll have to think about it one day. I'll have to think about it for the sake of this video. I'm like, I don't know, I don't want to spend money right now. I'll probably do it another day. Oh my freaking god. I'll probably do it like another day or something like that, but today is just, today I'm just don't feel like doing anything. And I'm stuck. And I'm stuck. Okay, I have nothing else to do, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go somewhere in a couple. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do some work in a couple of minutes. So yeah, I hope you like this randomness video. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want to, I mean, you don't have to. You can subscribe. I mean, I don't really care because I just do these because I'm bored. I have nothing else to do, and this has been my dream. I've always wanted to start a channel. So bye.